Alright, so this is going to be like a kind of pseudo tutorial slash kind of like quick tips on like kind of how I started doing this. So honestly, it's really as easy as like just getting some fishing string, getting like a paper decoration. In this case, like what I tend to use are paper fans because they're really durable and they're really easy to go ahead and manipulate and show your actual influence over. Hang it up outside because it's a lot easier to go ahead and actually manipulate air currents outside versus indoor. And kind of just go from there. Like, a lot of this ability is really just feeling around and trying to get used to manipulating unseen energy. So that takes a lot of your takes a lot of usage of your mind, and also takes a lot of your imagination. Like, through your imagination is what will actually manifest the ability to do what you want in this actual physical realm. That's pretty much the usage of your mind. Hand motions like aren't needed, but it does help make it a little bit easier to go ahead and kind of, I don't know, feel the energy and kind of just get used to doing these maneuvers. If you feel like you're stuck and you feel like it's not working at all, one of the things I definitely recommend doing is just hanging something up in front of you and then meditating in front of it. Like just sitting down, taking deep breaths, and like just observing the instrument. Sometimes it takes a little while for your mind to actually go ahead and connect with the object that you're actually trying to go ahead and influence or manipulate. But honestly, like what I do is really, really easy. It's really just as easy as hanging something up and like pretending that you have superpowers until you really do. Like that's really just how this shit works. Like you just have to fake it till you make it, as they say. The more you practice and the more you just pretty much fuck around and find out, like the more your brain itself and your body and your mind just like gets used to doing these things naturally. Like a lot of times, like these things will react to my body without me even like consciously having to do it. And the more you get connected to the air itself, like the more you're able to go ahead and just do the thing. Like it's just connecting to an element. It's like, how do you get good at any other sport or like any other skill? You kind of just practice a lot and immerse yourself in an environment that allows you to do such. The element of air is one of the easiest things that we can start with because it's one of the things that we have a great relationship with. Like we start breathing from the time that we're born. So us and air, we tend to have like a very, very strong connection, most people in general. But also, I like to tell people, like, if you try something with honest and genuine intention, the universe works with you. It is a sentient being, and or energy, or whatever the fuck you want to call it, and it does pave a path for you to go ahead and achieve what you want. So if you want to learn Aerokinesis, like, it will go ahead and, like, provide you with, like, winds and stuff, and I don't know how to explain it, but, like, you literally work with, like, unseen forces, pretty much. Like, you become the wind. You are the wind. As they say, ask and it is given.